Hello, everybody. My name is Kaylee Mendiola, and I'm here to share some study tips and tricks that have helped get me through some grueling exams. And I hope these tips can also help you. Now, before I even start studying, I have this certain routine that helps switch my mind from whatever kind of thinking I was doing during the day into an active listening mindset. This helps improve retention and actually understanding what I'm listening to, not just passive hearing. And by doing this, I open the window, I turn on the lights so I don't doze off, and I clean my desk space because I get very distracted if I see something and I want to mess with it on my desk. I also have to listen to music with no words, such as lo-fi or classical music. And if I'm studying, I try to keep it using the Pomodoro technique, which is a ratio of study time to break time. And the one I've dealt best with is 25-minute study, 5-minute breaks, 4 times over, as I get very distracted, but some people prefer 50 minutes to 10 minutes. Some weird helpful tricks are writing in blue ink, as this is not like the black ink in textbooks or on screens. It's something unique and you can change it, but I find blue to be very calming and more memorable. Also, it's easier to find pens in blue. And also chewing a flavor of gum, specifically when you are studying a subject that you need to remember during an exam, or whenever you need to remember it, you chew the same flavor of gum as your brain associates the flavor with the things you are learning. Of course, you shouldn't rely on a flavor of gum. Lastly, the most important trick that should not just be right before exams is reviewing the lecture notes of the previous class before you attend next lecture. Let's say I have class Monday, I took notes, and then my next class is going to be Wednesday. So those notes on Monday, I may not look at it right after class, but I make sure I look at it before next class on Wednesday. These tips do work for me, but they might not work for you. Although I hope this helps. Goodbye.